Hey guys, welcome back to another video in this series. In this video, I'll be teaching you about arrays, slices, and maps. So let's first get into arrays. So basically an array is a fixed size list of data. So to create an array in Go, first we name it. We name the variable, then we put the equal to sign, right? Then we put brackets. And we type in the size of the array. So this array will be of 10 size, right? Then you close the square brackets, and then we type in the data type. So this will hold integers, so we'll say int. Then you put curly brackets, and then you type in your data. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So it's gonna be from 0 to 9, right? Now let's print it. Okay. Run main.go. So we get the array printed. We can also index it by using square brackets. Let's say I want to get data at second index, so I can just do that and run it, and I'll get the output. Also, what you can do is you can define an empty array, and then later on you can add data to it. So you can do something like this, and we get the output. So those are arrays in Go. Now Go also has slices. Slices are basically like an array, but it doesn't have a fixed size. It can be of any size. So let's define an slice. So first we'll name the variable, put the equal to sign, then we will put square brackets, but this time we won't type in the size, right? Then we type in the data type, and we put curly brackets. Then we just add in the data, and let's print it. And we get the slice printed out, right? Okay, now I'll teach you how to append data to a slice. So to append data to a slice, we'll type in the variable, the slice variable. We'll put equal to sign without colon, right? Then we'll use the append function. We'll name the slice again. We'll type in the variable of the slice again. Then we'll put in the data we want to add. So basically this function will add 12 to the number slice and return that slice, which gets redefined to the number slice again. So it basically appends 12 to that original slice, so we get that, right? So that is append function. Now you can also, in Go, you can basically get length of anything by just using the length function. So you can say len of the slice, and we get the length, it's 5. We get the length of the slice, which is 5, and you can really use len function for anything in Go, and it will give you its length. Okay, now Go also has supports for map. So what we'll do in this example is we'll create a map of apples and their rating from 0 to 10, right? So let's create a map. So we'll call it fruit ratings colon equal. Then you type in map, then you open brackets, then you type in the data type of this key. So for us it will be string, as it's the name of fruits. So we'll say string, and then after closing the square brackets, you type in the data type of the values of the map. So for us it will be integer because we are typing in the ratings. So we'll say int, open curly brackets, and just type in your data. So we'll say apple, and we'll give it a rating of 3. We'll say peach, we'll give it a rating of 2. Add commas. Then let's print in the map. So we get the map apple, which is 3, and peach, which is 2. Now to add something to a map, what you can do is you can do something like this. So that's how you add stuff to a map. You can also index a map by doing the same thing. So we can say apple like that, and we get the value of apple, right? So that is how you index and map. Also, you can delete stuff from a map by doing something like this, just how we used append, right? And then we type in the key. Hold on. Okay, so I don't think we have to do something like this, right? Yeah, so that's what you do to delete something from a map. You just use the delete function, add in the map, and type in the key which you want to delete, and that will delete it, right? Also, you can use the len function for a map as well. So you can say len, right? You can use the len function on a map, and you can get the length of the map. So those are array slices and maps in Go. This will make much more sense when we get into looping in the next video. So like if you like this video, and subscribe if you loved it, and hopefully meet you in the next video on looping. Bye.